welcome back for another video. So I'm back with my scheduled review of this hair that I'm wearing. If you have not seen this install, of course I'm going to leave it right here for you guys. So yeah, I'm going into my 3rd week of wearing this hair, so I wanted to give you guys an update. I know I usually come back with 2-week update, but yeah, I'm in the 3rd week of wearing this hair. Okay, so the hair is the YX Cherish hair. So this is the hair that I'm wearing in the color 99J or 537. I'm not for sure which one because it is not up here. So I'm going to show you guys the hair in the package. So this is the hair like in the package. As you can see, it's kind of like the ombre going down to the 99J or the 537. So I was really shocked at how soft this hair was. It's extremely soft. I do have a pack, one pack, because one pack comes, let me show you, 3 in a bundle. Not 3 in a bundle, but 3 in a pack. So 3 bundles in 1 pack. So I use 1 full pack and a 3rd, or like 1 of the pieces in this. So yeah, so I use that. This hair, like I was telling you guys before, is really soft. I must say I did have to do some work on it while installing. Like it was almost, I don't want to say too soft, but hold on, let me put this in here so I don't have to talk over the rumbling paper. And let me pull one out to show you guys. Okay, so the hair is, like I said, really soft, very bouncy. It's very vibrant, especially in the sunlight. It's not heavy, which is a plus for me. So this is it after going into my 3rd week. My edges are doing good. I just want to say that I do not, when I do the braidless, I don't put crochet braids on the edges. Yeah, I just kind of just leave it the way it is. And as you can see, my edges are still going good, looking nice. Yeah, so, oh, back to the hair. So, like I said, the hair is really soft. It was pretty easy to work with, but I did have to do a little bit of work. This right here, this Eco Style Gel and my spray bottle were my best friends while installing this hair, because, like, I just really pulled it out. But as you can see, like, it's so soft that it almost like falls apart on you. But the thing about that is, like, when you try to actually pull it apart, it better not act right on camera. Okay, so when you actually try to pull it apart, it knots. Now, I have heard of some ladies cutting the ends off. And if you wanted to, you could install it like this. But I kind of like for mine to be uniform, and therefore, me pulling it apart and it being frizzy is not good for me. So as you can see, let me see. As you can see, I'm going to just show you this piece. It is frizzy, and like I said, you know, if you wanted to just kind of put it in your hair like this, if that's kind of the look you're going for, I think that'd be good. But if you want to fix it, so the only thing that I did was take a little of my Eco Style Gel and put it up here. And kind of work it in, and it fixes it for you. Okay, now depending on how defined you want it at the end, you can kind of continue to work it down the length of the hair, and that is it. As you can see the difference, this one is very defined, this one is bushy. No matter which way you want, you'll still look great. But you know, I did want to throw that out there for those of you who may try this hair. It's very pretty, it's very soft. But during your initial install, you are going to have to put in work if you pull it apart, which I would suggest pulling it apart. But if you do not want this frizzy look, you're going to have to put in a little bit of work during the install to get it to be defined like you like it or may like it, okay? I prefer for mine to be defined during the initial install because it kind of gives it leeway depending on the amount of weeks you wear it. So if you're trying to wear this style for 4, depending on what you do, braidless or braid crochet braids, yeah, depending on what you do, I just feel like starting off with like a uniform piece is better because it kind of gives it time to, or a little bit of leeway to get frizzy like this and still kind of make the look nice, okay? As opposed to starting with it like this, and then it's like, where do you go from here? Just a big old tangled mess. But I must say that this hair is really soft. As you can see, I'm kind of running my fingers through the fluffy side, but it's really soft. Let's see what else. Oh, nighttime routine, like I always do. I always wrap my hair up with like some type of twist or something along the lines of that, and put my bonnet on. And then that's pretty much it. In the morning, I kind of, sorry if I'm looking over here, it's kind of like the, yeah. But anyway, so I will do some type of twist, put my bonnet on, and then go to sleep. Wake up in the morning, kind of fluff and get it right, and then I am good for the day. But it is coming to that time for me to take it out. I just wanted to come and give you guys like a quick update. So yeah, I think it looks really nice considering that I'm going into the 3rd week. I did run into like some little knots right here, like tangles where the curls kind of wrap themselves around each other and kind of formed a knot. But I just feel like some of that stuff is kind of to be expected with this type of hair. It's not going to be all defined and uniform for you the entire time, depending on how long you want to wear it. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to definitely leave the link down below for this hair. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, I like to definitely just come back with a review and tell you guys how I like the hair. Out of 1 to 10, I would give it a 7. But that's mainly because like I just felt like it got a lot, and I am one to upkeep my crochet braids, nightly routine and all of that. So I will give it a 7 out of 10. It's really pretty. I would buy it again. I just feel like when you pulled it apart, all the extra work you got to put into it, sometimes I just kind of want to install it right away. But of course sometimes you have to put work into the hair, and it was fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.